Well, as you can see, we've got a 2021 Mustang GT overhead here, but we've got Magnaflow's Street Series catback exhaust system that we're about to bolt on. So watch this. 1, 2, 3, and it's going to be switched. The advantage that we've got here at Foose Design is when we got this packaged system in the box, it also came with Richard from Magnaflow. He's going to help put it on. And without Richard, it's still an easy chore, but with Richard, I'll be reading the instructions and he'll already have it done. With a lot of systems, you got to start off with a Sawzall, maybe cut some tubing. You got to have some power tools. This system, it's simple hand tools. You unbolt the old system, bolt in the new system, and with the new system, what kind of performance upgrades are we going to get?
So basically with the 5.0, it's a higher revving motor. It likes the breathing space, so the straight through exhaust usually nets anywhere between 10 and 15 horsepower and about 10 and 15 foot-pounds of torque. It just really depends on what other modifications you've done to complement the exhaust.
That's pretty amazing. 10 to 15 horsepower? You're going to be faster than your friend who has the same car.
So the back two, we have two options. I can take those down, but there's two on the side that are 10 millimeter. You can see there, or 13 millimeter.
On the other side?
You see it on the vertical side there?
Yep, right here.
I usually take those off first so you can lower the exhaust and not have it smack you. Kind of weird. So take the two side ones off and then do the bottom one last, and the whole bottom will drop because these little hangers will be our last piece. So that's it, and then there's one more on this side, and then there's that one bottom one. That's it on the one on the bottom.
Okay, just this one?
Yeah. That one is usually a long ratchet, or a long extension, does it? Yeah, they're...
They're tight.
Well, it's one of those like soft nuts. I don't know if you've seen them on the inside, where it's like a piece of soft metal that it self-taps the first time in, sort of.
And it doesn't fall out.
Yeah, vibration.
See, if you pay attention, you're going to listen to what this sounds like. Just the exhaust system here versus the Magnaflow. This one sounds like... Wait till we get the other one on.
Nope, not going to have to, because we're going to have to go back.
Going to go out the back? Yeah. There we go. You want these off?
Yeah.
Hold it up.
This will hold it in place.
There we go.
Got a little fuzz on there. You almost got taken out.
There we go. slow motion.
It's always good.
Which way do you want this?
So we can go that way.
This way?
Yeah.
There we go.
What's your hanger?
There we go. Looks like that one wants to go this way a little bit.
Yeah, this is the important part. Probably have to go forward.
Forward.
That's on the cart, yeah.
Does this need to come apart?
No, it's actually still.
What size is that, a 15?
15. Yeah. Front one.
Yeah. Is that holding it all?
Yep.
Okay. Body good? Which one do you want to loosen?
No, it's not loosened. Just push.
Okay.
So we'll cinch these up once we get it all positioned.
That's pretty strong. It's a bit of a Roy. Well, I'm done with the instructions, so I've read these. I know what to do. I'm ready to get started.
Just finished.
Oh, see? Now, if you get the right kit with a Richard in the box, it's really simple. You ready to bring it down?
Let's take a listen.
All right, let's give it a listen. Sounds good. How's my muffler man look?
Off center. Perfect. Foose?